Shubor nakaslem jong Nongthaiñ Hima.
Kumshibanta ban Kyntiew ya ka yok akot jong ki Nongthaiñ Jaiñ ka thamri Bhoi ka Indian Oil Corporation Limited lambat ka Ophis jong Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District hanin ka sngi ka hendu tarik ubnai rempang kila yok ban soy soskular ngotho jingmut lani ka Memorandum of Understanding ban pentri kam ya ka project Jaiñ rap ka bakerpang ki Nongthaiñ Jaiñ ka district lingba ka scheme Corporate Social Responsibility jong ka IOCL. Yakani ka soskular ngotho jingmut la yasoy hapding kinong yalam ka IOCL badu Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District ringkat ka jiadan lang jong ki we de ki officer jong ka district lembat ki Nongthaiñ Jaiñ ka thañ ka balapin long hakamra trikam jong DC ka Bhoi habakren shakilat pathai khubor u Raja Brahma Additional Deputy Commissioner ulayatho balingba ka te ka jing soy ngotho jingmut bat ki bor panya district ka Bhoi ka IOCL lingba ka scheme CSR kan sam hadu arspa san pusau tali ki tiar thir ksai ki balatip kum ki solar power air spinning unit ki banbu haki life hoteli ki center jong ki life hoteli ki shnong ka Bhoi district ki badan benta ha kam than jan Ryndia ubrama ula pentibru balingba ka te ka scheme CSR ka IOCL kalamang pisa hadu 100 point khandai pu phrala nak benta ki te ki tiar thir ksai jong ki te ki life hoteli ki center kum shibenta ban Kyntiew ya ki nong thir ksai ba than jan kumba ka Bhoi district ka de ka paunam ban pinmi ya ki jan Ryndia ka jila kari bat ka perthei hi baro ka we.
On the 6th February, the DRDA Bhoi district signed an agreement with Indian Oil Corporation Limited on the CSR. The subject matter was regarding that enhancement of our sericulture farmer who are engaged in different type of trade, like you can say the rearing of seri, then you can say that cooking and weaving and all. So usually we find in the field level that most of the sericulture farmer engaged, they do go for selling direct to the cooking, the raw form, and there are less farmers that do go for the to go to production of yarn. So in this process we found that there is a lack of to be go for the mechanized system, like where we can engage more maximum number of farmers to go and produce yarn and the fiber actually from the cocoon, so that it becomes raw material for the weavers to weave. So it has become like, if there's a lot of raw material available in the village actually, so they will opportunity for the employment. They can weave the maximum number so that they produce more. There is another way that is totally an action taken by our department, like from the DRD under the chairmanship of our respected Avilas sir, our DC, that spinning wheel, just like providing a gap funding to them through CSR, it will not only bring sudden change into the productivity of the output, but it gives an saving, like it become more efficient, and it will encourage more farmers to come and take this activity. By doing this, it will not only focus to the others, because we have selected only 30 villages as per the fund available. We are looking for more to expand our area, but this is taken as a pilot project. Here we will be employing in each facility centers one of the technician. It will be trained by the companies under the CSR and funded from the on convention with MSRLS. So it will not only tap the growth, and you'll see the the outcome, and will also it will identify the loophole where necessary action to be taken. The overall objective here is to see that the ultimate income of these farmers is to enhance. You have to grow, and through this intervention, such intervention, we hope that will bring a sudden change in this world. And our objective is not only to to give to some of the farmers, but to make our Bhoi district one of the highest producer of dairy products. This is our target. And here, right from the from the raw material production and the market, these three things will be taken care of under this project. And that's you can say the new beginning, a new chapter in the Bhoi district in the dairy sector. There are a lot of things that we have to take care of. There are a lot of challenges, but we want to go step by step, and we are very we're thankful to our Chairman DRD and Deputy Commissioner Sri Avilas Banwal, who has taken his keen interest, to bring a change and to make this a happening district in the Bhoi district. Lastly, I want to add the total cost of project is around 62 lakhs 98,000. Well, we come to around figure like 63 lakhs, and 254 machines will be proven, and it will be solar. It is a solar spinning wheel, and it will be distributed to the self-help group members, those who are engaged in this activity, to 250 and 32, comprising of 30 villages. So we have taken right from Bharambong, then we have got from Umsting block, we have got from Umling block and Jirang block. So we have included from all the blocks, and we have seen that the best, the self group, and where the feasibility is there, we have done the ground report, and we see that the development comes and the project is a successful one.